Good morning. So, snap decision. Saw one on Facebook Marketplace and thought, yep, that looks tidy enough. GT125, let's go and have a look at it. So here we are, I've got the lovely Victoria in the hot seat driving me over to Poulton Le Fylde, not far from Blackpool. We're going to have a look at this GT125 and maybe I'll be riding it home. We're nearly there, keep you posted. We've arrived at Big Lee's. So Lee has got a little unit here. Where he fixes up scoots and he does Royal Alloys, does Lamis, does Vespers. That's the one we're looking at today, guys. What do you think? Looks nice and tidy. Take it for a little spin and see if we can do a deal with Big Lee. And Big Lee's place is pretty cool. He's got all kinds of machines in here.
Possibly belly rollers and guides, just to keep it sweet, you know. No line you can go halfway through it. It just seems to be a bit expensive.
Look at this. That's even, what's that, Sinclair C5 up there? Amazing. What kind of stuff do you do, Lee? Do you do repairs and...
Yeah, just repairs.
Yeah,
Repairs,
all kinds of bikes.
servicing.
So this is the place to come, guys, if you're in the Poulton or Blackpool area or even anywhere in the northwest. Lee is your man. And he's got loads of projects on the go here. Looking good. Lots of projects. Does the rallies, goes up to Kelso. Fantastic. So let's have a look at this GT125. Looks nice and tidy. Good paintwork. Blank canvas, guys, to start customizing. So guys, the deal has been done. Welcome to Royal Alloy Rider Mark II. And let the fun begin, the customization. See what we can add to it. The question is, what bits am I going to switch over from the old one to the new one? Well, you're going to have to wait and see, right? But it's going to be fun. Now ready for the slow, long ride home, 2.5 hours on A roads. Just because I don't want to go on the motorway on the 125. Cheers, guys, and thanks for watching.